What up, guys? Today I bought a ultrasonic cleaner from Harbor Freight to clean carburetors. This is not the one I wanted, but it'll hold me over until I get the one I really want. So stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna start. We're gonna unbox this. Let's see what we got inside here. We got the manual, we don't need that, right? Pull it out. Maybe. Just tip it up. Maybe it'll just slide out. Left in the box. Pull that out. Pull it out of the plastic. Put the lid off. Take the part basket. So we're gonna put that in there, and let's take a look at what. Let's stick a carb down in there and see how much room we got. Alright, so here's this is a Honda CR50, CRF50. Sorry guys. It fits perfect down in there. So let me get some supplies and let's try clean the carburetor. Alright, we're gonna go with a mixture that KJ Coin Hunter recommended to me a long time ago. And it's a mixture of half water, half Totally Awesome. You can get this stuff at the dollar store. It's like $1 a bottle. You could also see it in the video I did called Poor Man Ultrasonic Cleaner. Anyway, we're going to pour the water in there. Carefully pour the water in there, not get it all over electronics. Now I do gotta move this O-ring right here. You're gonna put that down in there. Don't cover it 100%. Let's add just a tad more water because it's right below the max line. Let's add just a hair more water to it. Now we're at the max line. That covers the carburetor pretty darn good. So we're gonna put the top back on, I think. Maybe we'll read the instructions because I think this is important. I know TC is supposed to be heat, right? Alright. Set. We're going to set this at 480 seconds. We'll probably have to run multiple cycles. So I guess now all you got to do now, after you hit the set button to set the time, which is 480 seconds, and then TC is heat cycle. Now I guess all we got to do now is hit this button right here. Take the lid off. Look at that. You can see all the so we'll run multiple cycles. I'll be right back. Cycle 1 completed. Time for round 2. So we're looking 10 times better. Okay, this is the second cycle. Carburetor is looking brand new, but you know, I don't think it would hurt just to do one more cycle and then put it back together. So I think I'm gonna do one more cycle. So this is the last cycle on it. Carburetor almost looks brand new now. So I am gonna blow it out, dry it with the air gun. And then I'm probably gonna take a little bit of this carb cleaner right here. Just a little bit. And just kind of clean back through the passages with it, but nothing major like I would if I was doing it with just that. I would just spray it just to clean out if there was anything, debris or anything. But if you look, carburetor looks brand new. Let me finish up this carburetor, put it back together, put it on the dirt bike, and we'll see if the dirt bike will start. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, kinda windy to shoot this out, the end of this video outside. But so ultrasonic cleaner works great. The dirt bike runs. So thanks for everybody for watching the video. Hit that like button. Hit that share button. Go over to my website, BS Small Engines. Check out my Facebook, my Instagram. I post a lot of stuff on Instagram, so be sure to check that out. Anyway, later everyone.